Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am back with some Island Royale. Because this game just quite fun actually. Go play it yourself. I think it's on sorry about that. I think it's only on PC, I'm not 100% sure, but I just find this the funnest game I've ever played on Roblox. This is the only reason I actually play Roblox. You might be like, oh, you're just saying that just because it's a crappy game. And no, it's actually, I really like this game. Really like this game. So let's deploy. Flat down, get the best shotgun in the game. Look, flip, this is high. How is this here? And actually, guys, I actually had a video, but for some reason the audio messed up on something. I had to put on my audio for my PC. I had to reset it, and it took ages. I'm not trying to be funny. Ages, bro. One kill. Is there any more people? I think I might just launch down. See if anyone's up here. Nope. Okay, let's go down. Just do like pushes. I was about to jump off and then do something funny, but nah. This is a bit of an odd game. You know what's going on? How should everyone in this game? Yeah, you have a lot of people. Where are they at then? Oh, she's 90s, yeah? Oh god, I'm messing up. I'll be a shot. Okay. What? I tried to build really slow. No. Oh, let's go here. I'm gonna follow him down. On the roof just to get a head start of him. And he did not know how to play, did he? That's what I mean, because I'm such a low level, I always get in bot games. Did you see that guy? It's just like this. But look like that. I don't know what he's trying to do. As this video, yeah, it's going to be every time I get a kill, I have to teabag them. Okay? Or emote or teabag. Or teabag. Enemy spotted. No. Matt. Oh, okay. GG's. GG's. Let's deploy. Switch the cards over. You have to land here at the start of the game, but just because everybody lands here. So you get some good starts. Get a good start. Get a good landing. So you have to see, look how much people are here. Ridiculous, isn't it? See that? He tried pickaxing him. You see what I mean? If you get a good head start, then you're pretty much golden. Where's this kid at? Don't tell me he's just gone through here and jumped off or something. Clean edits. Edit, please. Edit, just edit, bruv. Come on. Thank you. being shot. I'm being shot somehow. Watch this, yeah? It's another sentry. See? How you got now, boy? No, look, see this guy here? His life is doomed. His life is now doomed. Now I missed that shot, I'm peed off. So his life is so doomed. Bro, what the flip? Oh, God. Bro, come on. I was just trying to troll. It's trolling a big deal to you. I never knew you could do that. Bro, what the flip, bro? Bro. Okay, I did it. Bam. I'll take all the actions up there. Calm down, boy. Actually, do you know what? Should I try to break it all down? Yeah, try to break it all down. What the is he above me? Okay, I'm just gonna get these mats. Is that orange? If I were to break it down, would there be a lot of stuff? What the flip are you coming from? I'm supposed to be teabagging you, so you stop killing me, please, fam. Any people here? Here, yes. Don't mess with my guy. He will slay you, fam. Look at these builds, yeah? We'll just use. Oh, is it enemy? No, teammate. Okay. I was gonna do some sick building, but then you kill someone, then yeah. Where's the big building? Who's shooting me? Okay, just shut down. Oh god, I messed up. What the how am I being sniped? Oh flip, I am being sniped. What's this, yeah? Where'd he go? Where is he? The hell did he actually go? Oh, he's up here. No, he's gonna get killed. I want the kill, okay? Oh, there's another guy here, okay. This is gonna be complicated. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god, build. Supposed to be teabagging kids, not getting clapped. I swear this game is just a bloody spam. Look at these shots, yeah? Small shots, like small tags, you know? I miss. No! He's seen me. Okay, time to go sweat, guys. Okay, sweat. Where is everyone? Over here. Wait a second. Where is it, Steve? I don't know where I've landed. Wait, where's the action place? Oh, the action's over here. Where am I? Where is it? Wizard Harry. Wait, it's not there. It's over there. Where's my mark? Should I do another one? I like going down. I like doing that. So I don't fall, you know? Let's say safe, kids. Oh yeah, teabag. There we go, there's a teabag. One down. A lot to go. You know the flick shots? Okay, so I think I maybe got a shield off. Maybe, I'm not sure. I've got to go help my teammate. my legs. You shot me down. Okay, oh god, good shot, good choice. This guy's good. Okay, good shots, good shots. Good shots, boys, good shots. He must have been 100 or something, bro. The flip is he, bro? He's so flipping annoying. Oh, this is a new guy. Bro, where's my team? Where is my team? Get rid of that. Bro, he shreds your health, bro. Let's look at these 90s. See that? Bro, no way. No way, I hit him loads, bro. This game trash! This game trash! Oh, look, he's jumping off, bro. Bro, come on. Come on, get these kills, boys. Oh, I killed him. Apparently. Probably fell to his death, didn't he? Bro, he loves going there, doesn't he? Bro, my edit, fam. No! Oh, I killed him with a pickaxe, okay? What does it say? Fire destruction with a pickaxe, see? But I'm gonna actually destroy now. I don't care. Go over here so we don't have to... Actually, no. Yes, see this, please. What the flip? Bro, what the flip is this, bro? Ah, God, I'm dead. My legs. Bro, come on, it's time to shred now. Come on, bro, you want to go spam these builds. Look at these builds. Oof. Oh, bro, I'm nasty with it. One dead. Give me that health. Give me that orange, bro. Thank you. Now I can go fighting. Okay, where you at, fam? Boys, where's he at, fam? You running? You running now, boy? I got you in my sights. You not running from me, boy. Bro, he's good. This guy's good. This is just spammer, bro. I ain't got the bloody ammo to do this, bro. Bro, let we grinders. Oh yeah, I forgot to teabag the other guy. Oh, okay. So 90s, I'm just gonna end the video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you all in the next one. Peace.